The eagle is a genus of birds that belongs to the order of prey and the family of predators, and it has more than 61 species, most of which live in Eurasia and Africa. There are several types of eagles found in the Philippines. Eagle is the common name for many large birds of prey of the family Accipitridae. Eagles belong to several groups of genera, some of which are closely related. Most of the 60 species of eagle are from Eurasia and Africa. 1. Outside this area, just 14 species can be found, 2 in North America, 9 in Central and South America, and 3 in Australia. Eagles are some of the largest birds. They are at the top of the food chain, with some species feeding on big prey like monkeys and sloths. Eagles have amazing eyesight and can detect prey up to 2 miles away. Eagles are birds of prey in the family Accipitridae. There are approximately 60 different species. The majority are found in Eurasia and Africa, with only 14 species found in other areas including North, Central and South America, and Australia. Sight is the strongest of all eagle senses. The eyes are large, can take up almost 50% of the head, and can weigh the same amount as a human eye. An eagle's vision is 4 to 5 times better than that of a human. Eagle eyes are angled 30 degrees away from center of the face, which gives eagles a greater field of view. Eagles can see 5 basic colors to R3, and can detect UV light. Cones are light-detecting cells that are sensitive to color. One of the reasons that eagles have better vision than humans is because their retinas, a layer at the back of the eyeball, have more cones. We have 200,000 cones per square millimeter, whereas eagles have 1 million. Eagles are monogamous, so generally mate for life. They have strong sight fidelity, so a mating pair tend to reuse the same nest year after year. Nests, composed of sticks, vegetation, and downy feathers, are built by both males and females. Location of the nest varies with species. Bald eagles, for example, most likely nest in tall trees, whereas golden eagles prefer cliff faces or more open areas. The number of eggs laid will depend upon species, but many eagles lay between 1 and 3 eggs. 4 egg clutches do occur, but they are rare. Eagles are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. What eagles eat depends upon the species and the food that is available to them, but they are all carnivorous and live on a diet of meat and/or fish. Eagles can be divided broadly into 4 groups: sea eagles, booted eagles, snake eagles and giant forest eagles. Booted eagles have a relatively wide diet consisting of birds, small mammals, reptiles, rodents, amphibians and insects, whereas others are more restricted. Sea eagles or fish eagles feed mostly on a diet of fish, whilst snake eagles specialize on capturing reptiles. Giant forest eagles feed on various forest animals. One of the largest eagles, the harpy eagle, feeds on larger animals including monkeys, sloths and coatis. Eagles usually live in the wild for 20 to 30 years. In contrast to most birds, its lifespan is considerably longer. The oldest known eagle in the wild lived for as long as 38 years old. For instance, if an eagle lives in a zoo, it can reach up to 50 to 70 years of age because of veterinary care. However, an eagle in the wild will start to weaken in its 20s, eventually being unable to grab prey. Eagles may be apex predators at the top of their food chain, but they don't stay that way forever. Aside from the weakening of its talons, eagle beaks warp and bend upon aging. Once their beaks change shape, it'd be hard for them to feed.